Welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for everything crypto. Today, we're diving into how you can easily sign up for an account on MEXC using the referral code 12K4M5. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these fantastic bonuses and trading opportunities. So, let's get started. First off, what exactly is the MEXC sign-up process? It's a straightforward way to get started on one of the leading crypto trading platforms. By using the referral code 12K4M5, you'll unlock exclusive benefits like bonuses and trading fee discounts. Let's break it down step by step on how you can get started. Step 1. Visit the MEXC website or download the app. To get started, visit the official MEXC website at www.MEXC.com and click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Alternatively, you can download the MEXC app from the App Store or Google Play Store. The sign-up process is similar whether you're using the website or the app. Step 2. Choose your sign-up method. You have several options to sign up using your email, mobile number, or third-party accounts like Google or MetaMask. For this guide, we'll use the email method as an example. Step 3. Enter your details. Enter your email address and set a secure password. Make sure your password is strong and includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Don't forget to enter the referral code 12K4M5 in the referral code field to claim your bonus. This code will give you access to some great benefits right from the start. Step 4. Complete verification. After entering your details, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot. Then check your email for a verification code sent by MEXC. Enter the 6-digit code into the verification field on the website or app. If you can't find the verification code in your inbox, make sure to check your spam folder. If it's not there either, you can request the code again. Step 5. Finalize registration. Once you've entered the verification code, agree to the user agreement and privacy policy and click Sign Up. Congratulations! Your account is now created. Now that your account is set up, let's quickly cover some of the standout features of MEXC. Trading options. MEXC offers a variety of trading options, including spot trading, futures trading, and margin trading. You can choose the trading method that best suits your needs and risk appetite. Security measures. The platform is known for its robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, SSL encryption, and cold storage for funds. These features help ensure your assets are safe. Fee structure. MEXC has a low and transparent fee structure, starting from just % for spot maker fees and competitive rates for other trading types. Always check the current fee schedule on the MEXC site for the latest information. MEXC offers various bonus programs and promotions to enhance your trading experience. By using the referral code 12K4M5 during sign-up, you can access exclusive bonuses. Keep an eye on the promotions page for seasonal offers and new user rewards. But that's not all. MEXC also has a comprehensive affiliate program. By inviting friends using your referral code, you can earn commissions on their trading fees. It's a fantastic way to boost your earnings while helping others discover a great trading platform. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for new users. Start small. Always begin with a small percentage of your portfolio, especially if you're trying out new trading strategies. Learn the tools. Familiarize yourself with MEXC's trading tools and features. The MEXC Academy offers great resources to help you understand the platform better. Stay updated. Follow MEXC's announcements and updates to stay informed about new features and promotions. All right, folks. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this guide on signing up for MEXC using the referral code 12K4M5 helpful. Don't miss out on these incredible bonuses. Sign up today and start maximizing your crypto trading profits. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Crypto Kickstart, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to use the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up. Thanks for watching and happy trading.